Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So the market is in decision mode, not moving too much. The volatility is just slowing down, and Bitcoin and the market is sidewaving. My name is Mike Dankler from CorionX, and we are bringing the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So let's go and smash those like, push the bell, notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is important for the YouTube algorithm, and if you are subscribed, then you will get a notification whenever we are uploading a video. So let's go and check our favorite bubble chart. We see Bitcoin as Ethereum is almost at zero, so not moving too much, but within a day there was some volatility, but it's cooling down for now. We see few altcoins are dropping, like Aron, DCR, XEC, and Luna Waves GRT, but Luna's Classic, the new Luna, is pumping, and also Helium is up, and Helium is getting higher and higher and reaching some resistance levels. GMT, FTT, the coin of the FTX exchange, and Theta Link is looking pretty good. Let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We are still in the extreme fear zone at 11, so 11 out of 100 extreme fear. And if we are scrolling back the past 1 month, the index is down at 10, just hovering around 10, so nothing that investors would be in a better sentiment. And you know, when investors are too worried, that could be a good buying opportunity, but asset prices can go further down, so take in consideration then if you are DCAing that, having some gunpowder for later purchases as well. When the greediness will come back, we will not recognize it because it was so long ago, but then investors then will be so greedy and they will take more risk. So let's go and check out our favorite indicator, after our favorite indicator, let's go and check out our first news. Bitcoin price recovers 31.5 thousand, but traders say scam price action will bring more downside. Okay, so this is a kind of indecision mode that I told you here, a clear redistribution range. So the range bound trading currently impacting Bitcoin was addressed by crypto analyst Pseudonym Stephen El Capo, who posted the following chart, highlighted the clean range that BTC has been stuck in for nearly a month. So we are stuck here, and Crypto Capo expects a downturn from here. What is happening inside the range and what has happened at the range high shows that this is a clear redistribution range. Clean break of the range low, last leg down confirmed 21 to 23,000. So he expects that Bitcoin will go down to 21, 23,000, and this is just a redistribution zone. Ongoing flip-flop price action. So this is not a really good price action because it's hard to trade because there is no clear direction. Just on a 5 minutes and 1 hourly chart, you were able to find some good, nice trades. On our way towards a warm mass inside a mini range, again the fully deploy, the flip-flop you bias, non-stop angry, blab, and GTFO. People FOMO'd at the top, lows taken again after the nuke and up again. A possible flash out to 20,000. Also, Rack Capital is talking about the 200-day moving average, and 200-day moving average is sitting around 21,000 US dollar, but this is not the 200-day moving average, but we will look into it. Yeah, so this is the 200-week moving average on the weekly chart. Okay, so we are hovering between the 50-week and the 200-week moving average. tends to confirm maximum financial opportunity when it reaches and breaks down from the black 200-week exponential moving average, and this is where it now holding for now. This area is confluent with the orange BTC 200-week moving average. In fact, BTC would need to downside wick below the 200 moving average to reach the 20,000 US dollar area. Interestingly, downside wicking tends to occur below the 200-day moving average to mark out generational bottoms. So if we would dipping to 20,000 below the 200-week moving average, that would take out generational bottom. Next piece of news is trader who accurately predicted 2022 Bitcoin and crypto meltdown says BTC capitulation imminent after recent rally. So okay, so this is, I think, a couple clean range, what is happening inside the range and what has happened at the range. I shows that this is a clear redistribution range, and he expect 23,000 US dollar levels, double hammer, double power, good night. So double hammer at the top, but also there was a inverse hammer at the bottom, so quite interesting. Consolidation under resistance while making higher lows. Okay, so another analyst looking up post chart. Okay, another analyst, Immortal, says that consolidation under resistance while making higher lows. If price manages to find acceptance above 32,000, we would see that long-awaited relief rally targets for 34 and 37,000 US dollar levels, according to Immortal. Next piece of news is most crypto assets to be treated as commodities in long-awaited bill released by US senators. Okay, so guys, so there is this Loomis bill. US Senators Cynthia Loomis and Kirsten Gillibrand aims to be the first serious attempt at bringing regulatory clarity to the crypto world. And also the SEC is engaged, and the CFTC, the regulator of commodities, is engaged. The new bill would grant the regulator broader authority in the space and provide a process for crypto exchanges to register with the CFTC. Says Loomis in prepared statement, the United States is the global financial leader, and to ensure the next generation of Americans enjoys greater opportunity, it is critical to integrate digital assets into existing law and to harness the efficiency and transparency of this asset class while addressing risk. Okay, the status quo would be better than this bill. This is by Todd Phillips. Maybe he's against crypto. Director of Financial Regulation, Corporate Governance. So many of these tokens are securities according to him and need to comply with the regular usual securities laws, and this bill tries to create a special crypto-specific disclosure regime that I don't think disclose all the information investors need to fully evaluate whether the purchase is a security. Okay, crypto legal expert Jeremy Hogan says that Loomis bill's thoughts. The bill is strikingly broad, reporting taxes, brokers, Ethereum are all under its umbrella. It's much better than status quo. It carves a niche for digital assets that are subject to SEC oversight if they are investment contracts. But even if a digital asset falls under SEC oversight, the reporting requirements aren't onerous. At least it's possible that the crypto could fulfill the reporting requirements, unlike now. In summary, I like it. I tries mainly strikes a nice balance in my opinion. So this is according to this legal expert. Next piece of news is Ethereum next stop at 2,200. That's the question. Top crypto analyst explains how ETH kicks off next rally. So okay, Invest answers. The analyst, Ethereum has been very volatile, very beaten down. It held up very strong at the $1,720 US level of support, which is historical support from 2021. But this is on-chain data shows a stiff supply barrier between about 1,800 900 and 1,963, where roughly 900,000 addresses acquired over 8 million Ethereum. Ethereum has overcome this resistance to be able to get back about 2,200 US dollars. Maybe expect a little bit of what I call glass tapping required to bust through that level to get through 2,000 straight to 2,200. And this is where the most addresses picked Ethereum up. Okay, cool. In and out money around prices, so not too much in and out. Margin longs hit an all-new all-time high. Notice that the longs, which is typically a bull indicator, vastly increased in mid-May and currently stand at about nearly 100,000 Bitcoin contract, its highest ever registry. Okay, to understand how severe this moment was, one might compare it to June, July of 2021, the previous all-time high of 50,000 contracts longs. It's double in size. The Bitfinex margin longs don't get it right all the time, but they do get it right about 75% of the time to this bullish sign that we have bottomed. So we already talked about yesterday. I don't promise we have bottomed, but all roads are really pointing to that. So this is from Invest Answers, and this is about the Bitcoin longs on Bitfinex. Next piece of news is big news. PayPal enables transfer of digital currencies to external wallets. So not just within PayPal, but outside of PayPal to digital wallets. And this is a next big step that PayPal will introduce to its users, millions, hundreds of millions of users to crypto usage. Okay, next piece of news is egg on face. St. Louis Fed uses Bitcoin as unit of account. Quite interesting. So the St. Louis Federal Reserve had posted a new blog, price of X in USD versus Bitcoin. Fred, so this is quite interesting, and this is the average price of the egg in terms of US dollar. And the egg on the face moment for Fred, comparing Bitcoin to the dollar, seriously legitimized the cryptocurrency and proves even the Fed is capable of figuring it out as a unit of account. So Bitcoin US dollar chart and also Bitcoin in egg. So just an interesting mentioning here. So guys, let's go and check out our farm. Provide liquidity and earn up to 330% APRs. You will get higher chance to participate in the Laserpunk whitelist. And also follow me at MIKLOSDenkler on Twitter, and definitely follow Corion platform and the Laserpunk gods. And here is the long-awaited relief rally or dump next. So this is the Immortal chart, and this is the Bitcoin 200 week exponential moving average. And if it's breaking down, here is a thread, just check out, then you will find other things. But my most I think the most important news here, that Ethereum is unstoppable, adding 500,000 new addresses per week in the depth of the bear market. This indicates massive development activity. And here is a chart from Dune Analytics, and also you find the link in the description. So new weekly accumulated addresses, and adding almost 200 or what? 500,000 in a week. And this was the cumulative. Also Laserpunk NFT, just some giveaways running. Let's share and engage in the giveaway. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. See you tomorrow. Bye bye, enjoy your day.